away yesterday. We will continue to see more cases and more deaths across the country. In a news conference today, President Trump said the federal government extended their guidelines to encourage more people to stay at home, help slow the spread of the virus, and prevent hospitals from being overwhelmed. ABC 10's Giacomo Luca has more on what this means moving forward.
I want the American people to know that your selfless, inspiring, and valiant efforts are saving countless lives. You are making the difference.
From the Rose Garden Sunday, President Trump strayed from previous optimistic comments that the nation may reopen by Easter. The president asked every American to continue following federal social distancing guidelines for at least another 30 days, all in hopes of curbing the spread of the deadly coronavirus.
The peak, the highest point of death rates, remember this, is likely to hit in 2 weeks. Nothing would be worse than declaring victory before the victory is won.
The decision coming as the nation's top infectious disease expert, Dr. Anthony Fauci, said 100,000 could die and millions could be infected with the virus in the U.S. Federal restrictions have already brought the U.S. economy to a crawl, not to mention the effects of stricter measures imposed by states. All Californians were ordered to stay home 10 days ago. So is it working?
I think that the guidelines are sufficient to prevent mass exposure and transmission of the virus.
Sacramento's Dr. Ravinder Kara says the current restrictions are working, but we're not out of the woods yet.
I think that, especially here in California, where we have not seen our peak, I think that it would be prudent to actually consider extending that well into May and perhaps into the early part of June.
Though Kara predicts the summer months could be a saving grace when the U.S. could see a leveling off or decrease in new infections as the virus is believed to die off in warmer temperatures.
Okay, take a look at this.